In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete screenshots in Time Doctor. Let's get started with this easy and straightforward process. First, open up your preferred web browser and enter Time Doctor into the search bar. This will help you quickly locate the official website. Once your search results populate, look for the first link or the one with the URL timedoctor.com. This is where you need to click to access Time Doctor. After navigating to the Time Doctor site, your next step is to log in to your account. Here, you'll enter your credentials to gain access to your dashboard. If you encounter any issues logging in, ensure that your username and password are entered correctly and that your internet connection is stable. Before you proceed with deleting screenshots, you'll want to ensure that taking screenshots is actually set up on your account. This feature allows Time Doctor to capture images of your screen at regular intervals, which is useful for tracking work and productivity. To check if this feature is enabled, head over to the Settings menu and then select Users. This will bring you to a list of all the users associated with your account and the settings applicable to each. On the right side of each username, you should see a column labeled Screenshots. If this feature is turned on properly, there will be an indication of screenshots, followed by the number of minutes set for capturing these images. If you don't see this, you may need to adjust your settings to begin capturing screenshots before they can be deleted. Now, with screenshot taking confirmed as active, you will move on to the next step by clicking on the Screencasts section. This is where all the screenshots that have been captured are listed. This view allows you to review each screenshot, giving you the power to monitor and manage visual records of your activities. Find the specific screenshot you wish to delete among the collection shown. Once you've identified it, select the screenshot by clicking on it. You'll notice that when selected, a trash bin icon will appear right beside the Select All button at the top of your screen. This icon is crucial for the deletion process. To delete, simply click on this trash bin icon. Doing so will remove the selected screenshot from your account, freeing up space and ensuring that the content you no longer need is promptly removed. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to delete screenshots in Time Doctor. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Time Doctor support for more help. Thank you for tuning in today, and we'll see you next time.